Good morning, every student. How are you, my dear student? Okay, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, welcome to my online class. I am Mohammad Firoz Ali, Assistant Teacher English, Enayatpur High School. I am taking a very important class in your syllabus, the rules of passage narration in class 9 and 10. In my previous class, I discussed some rules, some primary rules of passage narration, and today also continue the rules of passage narration in class 9 and 10. Of course, you must watch my online class in your mobile phone, in your computer, in your laptop. If you watch my class up to finishing, of course, you will learn the basic and important rules of passage narration. So, dear student, I know you are passing your days in your home. You have no tutor, you have no guide teacher, or your teacher in your home. No one will tell you to read now and then. So you must read your syllabus. You prepare your syllabus for examination in your own way, of course. So if you don't read or don't complete your syllabus, you will face many problems when we will take your examination. So you have to face examination, you have to prepare yourself for examination. Don't waste your time, don't pass your time idly. Dear student, the very important rules of passage narration, you must read the passage carefully. First of all, you read the passage narration, the passage in your question paper. You must read the passage in your question paper very carefully. Then, if you find out sir in direct speech, you will convert indirect speech in this way. The man said to me, where is the hospital? Where is the hospital, sir? If in this way, sir indicate direct speech, you must change this in direct speech. When you change in indirect speech, you must write, instead of sir, you must write respectfully in your indirect speech. In this way, subject plus reporting verb, subject plus reporting verb, then you will add respectfully, instead of sir. You will write respectfully with reporting verb. Then you will write conjunction and reported speech. So, if you see direct speech sir, in direct speech sir, you will write respectfully with reporting verb. So, the man said to me, where is the hospital? The answer will be, in direct speech, the answer will be, the man told respectfully, respectfully. The man told respectfully that where the hospital was. So this is your answer. Dear student, of course you will change this. Of course you will change this in this way. The man told respectfully that where the hospital was. Another rule of passage narration. You follow my lecture in your home and understand my class. Dear student, the another rule of passage narration, if you see sorry in indirect speech, you will change this. How can you change this? How would you change this? Kibabe. In this way, sorry. If you see sorry in direct speech, you will change in this way. He said, I am sorry. Then you can change this in direct speech. For sorry, the reporting verb will be express regret. You will write in your reporting verb expressed his or her regret. Express regret. I am sorry. Express his regret. The answer will be he expressed his regret. In this way. So this is not usual change. This is not a common change. This is a different change. When you see sorry in your direct speech, you will change in indirect speech express reporting verb and his regret for sorry. For sorry, you will change in this way. He expressed his regret. And another rules. If you see thank you in direct speech. Thank you. Someone say thank you for anything, receiving anything. For receiving anything, someone say thank you. My friend said. My friend said thank you. My friend said thank you. So, if you see in direct speech, thank you. For thank you, you change in indirect speech. In this way, first time you will write subject plus thanked, then object. So, if I change this sentence in indirect speech, my friend thanked me. Me. For common object, me. Here there is no object. So I will take common object, me. Dear student, follow me. If you don't see object directly, you will take me. As common object. So the answer is my friend thanked me. Understand, my student? Understand? Okay. Of course, if you watch my class very attentively, carefully, if you will understand all these rules very clearly. So must watch my video very attentively and carefully. And during watching video, you don't do any other activities. You must write my rules, write my lecture in your page, you will take note, necessary note in your page, so that you can read it after finishing my class. So another rules of passage narration, dear student. Another rules of passage narration. If you see good morning, if you see good morning, good morning, good evening, good morning, good evening, or good night, or good afternoon. Anything if you see in the direct speech, in your passage narration, if you see in direct speech, this phrase or this word, good morning, good evening, good night, then how can you change? Follow me, dear student. How can you change in indirect speech? You must change in indirect speech subject plus your reporting verb will be paid. Your reporting verb will be wish. Your reporting verb will be wish object plus good. Good এর সাথে morning or evening or night. So in this way you will change in indirect speech. First place you will write subject and reporting verb will be wish and object and good morning or evening or good night. So take an example, dear student. Take an example, dear student. Kamal my teacher said to the students, my teacher said to the students, good morning, good morning. So this is your direct speech. So you change in this way. First place you will write subject, the teacher, my teacher. The answer will be my teacher wished the students, my teachers wished the students good morning. My teacher wished the student good morning. So dear student, follow me. First place I write subject wished and object the students and good morning. So understand my student? If you see good morning here, good evening or night, anything, evening or night, you will add here good night, good evening, in this way. So dear student, you will must watch my class 2 or 3 times and take necessary notes in your page, because all the time you don't see the video in your phone or computer, lack of internet or any type of problem. So you have to take note in my class, watching my class, and then you will exercise it in your home, and you must see your grammar part, the rules of passage narration, for better understanding. In my next class I will test you for passage narration, taking a short exam in my mobile phone. I will give you on the blackboard an exercise, and you will solution or solve it in your home. You will solve it in watching my video. So in my next class, of course, you follow me and stay well in your home. I hope you will read in your home daily. You have to have a daily routine for reading, and prepare yourself for the examination. You stay very well. See you again in my video class. Thank you very much, all the students.